Welcome to Sharad V. More English School online lecture. Good afternoon, student. Yesterday we have completed practice set 5.1 and practice set 5.2. In that we have seen the sample space and sample point of the random experiment. Now here in this practice set we have to understand what is the events. Events क्या है that we have to understand. Okay. So now is set of the favorable outcomes of the given sample space is called as event. Set of favorable outcomes and it is from the sample space और वो कहाँ से होना चाहिए sample space से होना चाहिए not from outside of the sample space is called event. Okay, and events are represented by the capital letter A, B, C and D. Okay, we can use other letter also but that letter should be capital letter and instead of the S letter because S letter is used to denote the sample space. तो S को छोड़कर और जितने भी लेटर है वो कैपिटल लेटर्स हम लोग इवेंट्स को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ यस वन एग्जांपल गिवन on the page number 118 to explain the event. For example, the two coins are tossed. Suppose the two coins are tossed. Okay, so when two coins are tossed, then the sample space contain the outcomes HH head head, HT head tail, TH tail and head and tail and tail. Okay, तो there are the four outcomes. चार outcome मिलते हैं हम लोगों को. Now suppose A is event of getting at least one tail. अब इसमें एक छोटा सा क्या है event है, वो event क्या है is getting at least one tail. Now तो out of the four outcome, the three outcomes have at least one tail in them. Now you see the first outcome that is TT. In that at least one means one and more than one will come here. So here there is one tail. In second outcome also there is one tail and third is also there is one tail. So all these three will be yes in the event A. ये जो एलिमेंट्स है हम लोगों को जो मिला ये क्या है ये इवेंट ए के भी एलिमेंट्स है. नाउ नंबर ऑफ द सैंपल point of the events. Now see here 1 2 3 three outcomes are there, so that's why NA will be 3. क्या होगा NA will be 3. यहाँ पे जो उसके एलिमेंट है उसका पॉइंट्स कितने हैं 3 है, तो here it is represented by NA and here it is 3. Now types of the events. अब हम लोगों को क्या देखना है types of the event. Types of the event. Now see the first one, certain event or sure event. Certain event and sure event. Here just you have to know the type. Okay, and here we will not yes solve the question related to identifying the types of the event. So now is certain event. Second one is impossible event. Third one is the simple and elementary event. Fourth one is the complement of an event and mutually exclusive event, and fourth one is the exhaustive event. Okay, so we have to just remember the types. Okay, now see the question 1 of the practice set 5.3. जो 5.3 का जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो देखो ऑब्जर्व करो इसको. व्हाट इज given in the question, write the sample space S and the number of sample point NS for each of the following experiment. तो जितने भी experiments दिए random experiment. okay, तो for each and every experiment write the sample space S and the sample point NS. Also write events A, B, C in the set form. और उसके बाद क्या करना है आफ्टर दैट यस वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द सेट ए बी सी इन द सेट फॉर्म. मीन्स वी हैव टू यूज द curly bracket to write down the outcomes which are in the events and write the NA means number of elements in the event A, NB number of elements in event B, and NC number of element in that event C. Now see the first experiment. One die is rolled. One die is rolled. So when one die is rolled, so first we have to write down the sample space, then we have to write down the sample point of it. Now yes, events are event A, event B, event C. Three events are there. नाउ यस इवेंट ए, इवन नंबर्स ऑन अपर फेज। इवेंट्स ए क्या बोला है, इवन नंबर्स ऑन अपर फेज। इवेंट बी, ऑड नंबर्स ऑन द अपर फेज। एंड इवेंट सी, प्राइम नंबर ऑन अपर फेज। तो नाउ लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशंस। इसका सॉल्यूशंस हम लोगों को देखना है। ओके, नाउ यस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू राइट बाय योर ओन। I am just writing the solution of the questions. Okay, first question. Okay, first one, its solution. First one का क्या है solution? First we have to write down the sample space. The sample space, the sample space when one die is rolled. Okay, in some question you will find that it will mention that when one die is thrown. Here it is written one die is rolled. So for roll or throw, yes, you have to write the same sample space. So sample space when one die is rolled is. Now sample space will be written using the capital letter S. Now yes, curly bracket. When one die is rolled, so one can come as outcome, 2 can come as outcome, 3 can come as outcome, 4 can come as outcome, 5 may come as outcome, and 6 may come as outcome. So now there are the total 6 outcome. It may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, or it may be 6. Now therefore sample point of the sample space. So now there are the 6 result. So that's why NS will be 6. क्या होगा, NS कितना होगा 6. Now yes, about the event 1. अभी क्वेश्चन क्या था आपका, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था. Now yes, event 1. Now event A is given here. Suppose if event is not given, so by your own you have to consider the event A, event B, event C. Means you can give the name to that event. Now event A is event number on the upper face. जो event A है, क्या दिया क्वेश्चन में, event A. Okay, now yes, after that there is a colon, even numbers, even number on the upper face. Upper face, this is the question. Okay, now it's answer. Okay, तो इसका क्या होगा, yes, event A, even number on the upper face. तो how you will write its आंसर, इसका आंसर कैसे लिखोगे, तो क्या लिखोगे, द इवेंट ए इज, इवेंट ए इज. ओके, इवेंट ए इज. नाउ यस दिस कॉलन इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय द इज. तो इवेंट ए इज इवेंट ऑफ, इवेंट ऑफ. नाउ यस दिस कॉलन, कॉलन इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय द इज इवेंट ऑफ. ओके, ये तीन जो वर्ड्स है, इज इवेंट ऑफ, ये हम लोग वहां लिख देंगे. तो इवेंट ए इज इवेंट ऑफ getting, getting even number. So here you have to yes remember the 4 words is event of getting. Okay, at place of the colon. So event A is the event of getting even numbers on upper face, upper face, getting even number on upper face. So now yes, A is equals to, now see even numbers. Now even numbers are 2, 4, 6. The numbers which is divisible by 2 called as the even number. Okay, those numbers which are divisible by 2 called as the even number. So now the from this is sample space, the 2, 4 and 6, these three numbers are only divisible by 2 and they are even number. So in the event A, the element will be 2, 4 and 6. Now yes, write down its number of element. So in event A, the number of elements are 3. Okay, so in this way we have to write down the Na is equals to 3. Now see the second event. Okay, second event is odd number on upper face. So event B is event of event of getting odd numbers odd numbers on upper face. Odd number on upper face. Full stop. Okay. So now you see here we have to write down the odd number from the सैंपल स्पेस ओनली, सैंपल स्पेस से ही सिर्फ लिखना है. तो नाउ दोज नंबर विच आर नॉट डिविजिबल बाय द टू कॉल्ड द ऑड नंबर. जो नंबर 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होते उसी को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, ऑड नंबर. तो हियर 1 3 एंड 5 ओके नॉट डिविजिबल बाय द 2. ये दोनों तीनों नंबर क्या है, ये 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं है. कौन कौन से, 1 3 एंड 5. तो देयरफॉर यस देयर आर द 3 elements in this event, तो therefore NB will be 3. तो NB कितना हो जाएगा, 3 हो जाएगा. Okay, now see the event C. Event C is the prime number on the upper face. Okay, event C क्या है, prime number on upper face. Now what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers होते क्या है, तो those number which have only two factors 1 and